Hey guys, so today what we're doing is we're making spaghetti bolognese, and if you don't know me, I am Summer Harris, and I hope you give me a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. So what you need is you need a pan in the middle cooker if you have one. So there's just going to be, there's this thing that we put in.
Mince.
It's called mince.
Beef mince.
Beef mince. And it kind of smells disgusting, but when you taste it, it's really nice. So first of all, what you do,
brown them off.
we brown them off.
Right. So which is, you mash them up.
So what we do is you just like go a bit more back.
Yeah,
You just mash it up. So it's just so easy. Get one of these spoons and just mash it up. Smash, 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 smash. So our ingredients are some peppers. Any kind of peppers if you want. You can have all the kind, you can have red, you can have orange, you can have yellow. You can add some mushrooms. If you don't like them, don't add them. And add some, what's it called? Kidney beans?
Kidney beans, yeah.
Kidney beans, but they're the mixed ones. My thumb really hurts. So, after you smash them up, let your mum and dad help you. Your mum,
hear it sizzling, yeah? So
yeah, your
what
mum.
we've got to start doing is once it starts sizzling, turn it over. So just brown it off. So wait a little bit and you start turning it over.
So
You're folding it all at once.
make sure your mum and dad help you, because it's actually really tricky because you need to fold it, and then what you need to do is you need to cut up all the ingredients that you want to add. So turn it over.
Yeah, start folding it over, yeah.
So afterwards, it's like when you hear it sizzling, you just fold it over.
Do that.
So like that. So just turn it over when you hear it sizzling. Leave it for 5 or 10, like just
5 minutes.
5 minutes, and then turn sizzling it. Because afterwards it just turns like this. And can you see that some of the bits are turning brownish, yeah? That's when it's getting, it's when it turns like that pink. But when it's brown there, when it's pink, you just need to keep folding them bits over. So just make sure it's getting folded over.
Yeah, looking good.
So this is how it
Goes kind of grey.
yeah, it goes like that brown.
Yeah, yeah.
It goes kind of greyish. So that's what you need to do. Just turn it over. You can put it
Yeah.
afterwards. We can put it on the telly for everybody to watch it even later. So yeah, make sure your mum and dad help you, your mummy and daddy, whoever you call them, to help you. Because can you see it's turning like greyish? That's what it needs to look like afterwards. So there's mushrooms, there's peppers that I'm going to add to mine. And it looks so delicious. If you don't like it, you better not make it. But if your mum and dad make it, you can make it for them. If you're a grown up, so help your kids subscribe down below. So this is the first tin of chopped tomatoes. Oh gosh. I'm scared.
Let's do it quickly. Go. There you go.
So after you did that, just mix it. And then there's going to be a lot of tin tomatoes just getting into it.
Second tin.
Here's the second tin of tin tomatoes. I forgot to say you need to add some tin tomatoes also. So that is a lot. So and afterwards, so I just forgot, you need to add the sauce of the tin tomatoes. So that's how it's looking. It's a bit looks really tomatoey, guys, doesn't it? Just mix it all up so it's covered. And then we're going to add our peppers and mushrooms. Can you not put the mushrooms in the yellow ones?
They're big, so you can pick them out.
Okay. So, if you don't like mushrooms, just pick them out and give them to whoever likes the mushrooms, okay? So, this is how it's looking. Can you see it? I can't pick it up because it's too heavy. So don't pick it up because it's kind of spill on you and you can really hurt yourself. So we're adding some garlic. So you make sure your mum and dad do this because it's actually really tricky. That's why I'm not doing it. So you can't really see the garlic because it's tiny, but it spices it up a little bit. When it spices up, it tastes more yummy, doesn't it? So, oh my goodness, like it's burning my hand to the floor. Just leave it for a little bit, but make sure it's all mixed. If it's not all mixed, just keep mixing it. So it looks delicious, doesn't it, guys? Ooh. Not sure, because there's a lot of tomatoes. We need some more garlic. We had this yesterday as well. No, like we had a, like it's kind of like it. You kind of did it.
That's last week.
Oh. This looks yummy. But do you think it's going to be boring? Can you hold it up?
When we once we put all the ingredients in, we'll hold it up.
Doesn't it look a bit more boring? So there's just tomatoes in here. Isn't that just boring?
That's got it. So that's 3 cloves.
So make sure you add 3 cloves of. Oh my gosh, that is really big. 3 cloves of what's it called again? Garlic. I forgot what it's called.
Right. So if you mix that about.
Okay, just after you added the 3 bits of garlic, just mix it. It smells really nice. It smells like pizza. Okay, it's so easy. Just mixing the garlic. Now we're adding some onions.
Do half a bag.
Doing half a bag. Is it already open yet?
Yeah.
Which way? Is that half a bag?
Yeah, a bit more.
So it's really tricky when you try to add half a bag. Look, doesn't that look like spaghetti, guys? But are we adding actual spaghetti?
No, we're bored of spaghetti.
Yeah. So we're just adding the spaghetti afterwards. After we added all the ingredients. If you added the spaghetti before all the ingredients, what's going to happen? It's just going to go all. It's just going to all just look disgusting, isn't it? So can you see it's turned greyish? That's what I was actually kind of scared about. I didn't turn it all over. But I made this on another YouTube channel, but then I accidentally deleted it. That's why I'm making it. So
Beans.
this is mixed beans and it's in water. Did you tip all the water out?
Yeah.
So if you don't want the water, just tip all of that out. So shall I pour all of it?
Yep.
So just pour all of it in. Your parents say stop, just stop. Last time they got all stuck. it up. It looks. Where's the black?
What's that?
Black.
Yeah, black eyed peas.
After you did that, it doesn't need to be on. So that is all the ingredients.
Peppers and mushrooms.
So,
Shall I scrape these in? If you want. Well, this is. We can do the mushrooms.
so that is a lot of ingredients. They're all shaped and oh my goodness, it's like overflowing the pan. Now you can literally just see it. So, if you can flatten down, but it's kind of tricky flattening down. So that's what my dad's doing. My dad. Have you mixed it? Looks disgusting.
It's kind of disgusting. Right.
Kind of looks disgusting. So now this is. What does that say?
Oh, Italian tomato puree.
So this is Italian tomato puree. You can get whatever you want.
No,
of
you
this.
can get that.
Yeah.
Squeeze it. Or cheese.
It's just all the same. So you could squirt it. It's like tomato. It's like pink paste. Can you see it, guys? Doesn't it look yummy? You can't really see the meat now, can you? Because it's all hidden at the bottom. What? Oh my goodness, I accidentally split the thingy. So it comes out quicker. Okay, where's the spoon? You took the spoon away from me. Okay, now mix it all in. It's actually kind of tricky with all of that food. So after you mixed it, I don't know what we do now. I think we can add more.
No.
We might add
Sorry,
more
what
onions.
are we doing? No, what we do?
It's really
Mix it all
hard.
up. So
It's too hot though.
that's okay. And then we're going to leave it to simmer on a low gas to get rid of all the moisture. So it reduces down.
Wait, where do you want it?
Okay, and then you'll be ready to serve. So what we're going to do is you pause it now, and then we come back in probably about 25 minutes, I'd say.
So we come back in 25 minutes. I can in 25 minutes. So that's what it looks like now. Doesn't it look yummy? It looks kind of disgusting, but it's actually pretty yummy when you taste it with the spaghetti. Bye. Welcome back, guys. So we have simmered it for 35 minutes.
Yeah.
And so after it's been left for 35 minutes,
Down. So it's like a lot of the water's gone.
yeah, after we left it for 35 minutes, what you need to do after that, you need to just flatten it all out, and then what we do is we had some hot water, put it in a pan, and put some fire on it on the stove, and we have
Tagliatelle.
we have tagliatelle. It's really hard to say. These,
8 of these.
it's like spaghetti, but it's more bigger and fatter. And so what you do is you just plop it in the
Salty
hot water, salty, and we add some salt in there. Oh, so they look, so you can just like go down. You can add 8 if you want. No, you can't see that because like it's so just flatten it all out, and afterwards what you need to do.
So these take probably about 10 minutes to do.
And they take 10 minutes to do, but get a spoon and just kind of like mix it.
Make sure they're covered in water.
Yeah, make sure they're covered in water.
And you didn't mention that during the 35 minutes we kept folding and mixing this, so it could, yeah.
So during the 35 minutes, we kept folding, we kept mixing it because we need it to be really tasty. Yeah.
So what we do now, we turn off the bolognese.
So we can just turn off the bolognese.
And we're going to wait about 8 to 10 minutes for the takeaway.
8 to 10 minutes for the tagliatelle to calm down and get into spaghetti.
Yeah. Wait. Okay.
Yeah. Bye. Welcome back. So the tagliatelle has been cooked.
Yep.
And
So we're going to sieve out all the water now.
we're gonna fill out all the water because we don't want the water. We want the actual pasta. And this is how this is going. It hasn't been on like fire yet. Hasn't been on fire.
About 5 minutes.
Yeah, he turned off fire about like 5 minutes ago. And this is how it looks. Okay. So you can still see the steam. So it does look delicious, but definitely spaghetti.
Okay. So we've shaken all that out.
So we've taken all the water out.
Okay. So we've got a little secret what we do.
We've got secret. Secret.
We add just a little dollop of
We added
butter.
a tiny bit of.
No, I'd say this is for 4 people.
We have.
Dollop of that much butter.
Yep.
Okay, and then what we did, we saved about, I don't know, a quarter of, no, not about a fifth of a cup of the tomato sauce before it really reduced down, and you put that in with the tagliatelle as well.
So put that in.
So you've got a bit of butter, a bit of tagliatelle, and just mix it about.
So
And
it
what it
looks
does,
yummy.
is you don't get that kind of plain pastry taste, and it makes it, just makes it taste better. Yeah?
So your mum and dad have to do this because it's actually really tricky. So, yeah.
Okay, so what we're going to do,
It looks like pink spaghetti.
get a bowl.
So can I get a bowl? Can you get my bowl?
No, we'll get a big one because it's easier to see. So I'll put the bowl over here.
So what we're doing is we're just, I don't know actually what we're doing.
Okay, well, we're just going to show what it looks like on the stand. So a nice little scoop for the spaghetti.
So let's see, we can see.
Like
what it
tagliatelle
looks
even.
like.
Yeah. This will be my portion. I'll make it a big portion.
We love the portion.
Okay.
So this is my daddy's portion. And now what we do is we're gonna scoop some of that. Can I do it?
If you want.
So just scoop some of this. And then just put it inside. And a bit more.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, cool. Middle.
So that's my daddy's portion.
Why are you doing this, Elaine? And there we go. We have one slightly messy
Yeah, because that's just
tagliatelle bolognese. And it will take 40 minutes.
yeah. It's actually it might taste pretty nice because it's got mushrooms.
And we've got garlic bread in the oven as well, haven't we?
Yeah, we got some garlic bread in the oven. Is it actually even in there?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Say bye.
Bye guys. Make sure to subscribe down below and give me a big thumbs up. Bye.